Hey guys, Brian here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm personally doing with my Tesla stock and my Coinbase stock. I have 100 of each, and I think it's going to net me at least like a little bit under $2,000 a week, and that's just because of the volatility and all that. But let's just really see, let's kind of test this and see how it's going to go, because starting Monday or starting 2 weeks from now, I'm going to start doing this, and I'm actually very excited to do this while this bull run is happening. And let's just go into it. But again, none of this financial advice. This is personally just what I'm doing with my portfolio. I have my public portfolio is like, people that see my portfolio, I have like just under 200K in my public portfolio. I have one that I show a lot that only has a little bit under 80,000, and obviously I have another one that equals out to a little bit under 200K. And that's two of my portfolios out of 3 or 4. That puts me close to like 500,000. But this is what I'm going to do with my 100 of Coinbase and 100 of Tesla. And obviously I'm bullish on both. Coinbase, obviously, you're a lot down from its all-time highs because Bitcoin has dropped below 100K. And that's perfectly fine. That actually, for me, if I was to buy a leap, that'd be a perfect time to buy. If I was to buy shares, perfect time to buy. But since I already have shares, I'm going to be doing covered calls. And if I could free up a lot of cash, I will also be doing cash good puts. But I'd probably do more so with the Tesla. But let's just jump into my desktop, because like these two are like memes at this point, and they're printing money. So here we are. Hopefully it's not blurry. Showing you Robinhood right now. Obviously Tesla is having a little bit of pullback, but that is perfectly fine. That is perfectly healthy. That's what we expect. They have so many things coming out. Like, I don't have to go over everything that they're doing. The cyber taxis, the new models coming out, Elon Musk just being amazing. And I'm not trying to like deride right now, but he's doing big things, and I'm excited for Tesla and Coinbase. Coinbase obviously on a bigger retracement broke this EMA line, and it's actually at the bottom of the Bollinger Band. So this might actually be a good time to do covered calls for me, because there's a lot of movement upward that most likely the shares won't get called away. And even if it does dip a lot, that of course that just means I get to keep my shares. But let's start with Tesla first, because that's what we're going to look at. And I have 100 shares of Tesla, and the plan is to do weekly covered calls with these. Like, I could put them out a month, and I'll see how much that can make. But I'm more of an active person right now, so I know if I put it out a month or so, it's more passive. But the way things are moving, I kind of want to be in the game, if you know what I mean. But this is personally what I'm doing, weeklies. And so I have 100 shares, and I could use it and make a lot of money. So here we are. I have 100 shares and currently don't have a covered call on it. So I could be pretty high up there with the delta, and like 40. I probably do 40. I'm cool with selling it, to be honest. I know a lot of people think I'm crazy, but the whole point for me is just the income. I know taxable events, but it's fine. It's perfectly fine. That means I'm making money. Like, I could let the market chase me, but I'm trying to make as much money as possible. And I know a lot of people are also going to say, like, you're chasing premiums. I'm perfectly cool with chasing on stocks that I have in my portfolio. They're not on margin. I'm perfectly cool with it. So again, this is my own way of doing it. I'm really just trying to build the portfolio. I'm not trying to do like long-term holds right now, because that will happen for me when I hit certain goals. Once I hit a certain amount of money in my portfolio, then I'll start allocating to long-term holds and go from there. But let's just look here. This is like a 41 delta, 43 delta. It's kind of high, but I'll do the 43 delta for next week. December 27th, today's the 20th, and that would net me $940 on the week. And let's just say the market stays the same. These are all hypotheticals. I know a lot of people are like, oh, you can't always just put $940 for every week of the year, because it's not going to happen. True, but hypotheticals. We like seeing numbers, right? That's almost like $48,880 on the year if you're able to keep it right here at $940. And that is a lot of money, guys. That is a lot of money. And I bought my Tesla at like 100 something bucks. I should have bought way more. I should have bought like 4 or 5, 600 shares at the time. But again, I'm not the brightest sometimes, but that's fine. $50,000 is nothing to like cough at. But let's just say let's go this 30 days, 35 days, like a full month out. How much money could I get for a 40 delta? $460, $455, 40 delta, $2,140. See, that's why I'm doing the weeklies, because 940 in 3 weeks, I'm already past that. So it's 940 times 3. I'm already $700 above, almost $700 above the 4 weeks. So like, that's why I would do the weeklies on these higher volatile stocks. You can make more money. And again, you just have to be conscious that if it does hit this strike price, you're cool with selling it. You could roll it, but sometimes if you want to keep the strategy as simple as possible, just let it go, get a sign, let it get exercised, sell the shares, and be on the cash secured put side. And if you want the stock back, you could just be a high delta cash secured put. Like, let's just look at that. Say you're say you did it for next week, right? Say you did it this week and you got assigned at this current stock price of $423, right? So selling put side, you really want the stock back, right? But just go at the 50%, 422, collect $1,300 and be happy that you have Tesla back in your portfolio. You just made $1,000, $1,300 in a week. You just made $1,300 in a week, and you're gonna most likely end up buying the stock that you want in your portfolio. Think about that. Like, think about that. That is amazing power that you have for yourself. And then we could look at Coinbase. So I could potentially make almost $50,000 just from Tesla alone. And let's look at Coinbase. I have 100 shares of Coinbase, obviously nowhere near the all-time highs right now. So we're going to sell calls, and I can't do it for today. Sell calls. So the premium is not as high, but it's still pretty freaking high. So I would do the same thing around 40%. 40% would be 285, because I'm cool with selling it, because I bought Coinbase really low, like around like low 200s. So I'm cool with a taxable event. I'm cool with getting this appreciation, because the goal is make as much income as possible, no matter if I'm selling or buying the shares. As long as I'm selling options, I'm cool with it. That's the game plan, right? Like, I'm cool with it. So 40% right here, and I would collect $595 from this. Where's my handy dandy calculator? Again, just for the numbers, people, 595. And if I was able to get this for 52 weeks straight, that's another $31,000, $30,940, and add that with the 48,880. It's like $80,000 on the year just with 2 stocks. If the premiums stay like this the whole year, will it be this high? Most likely not. But if it does, that'd be beautiful, and you could potentially make $80,000 on the year. So, and then if let's just see, 595. Let's just see, 595 times 4 is 230. So let's see, 35 days out, what it would give me. Yeah, see, like it doesn't even compare. You're down like $300 for that. Delta is almost 50. Yeah, it would be more beneficial monetary wise to do weeklies, and this is what I'm personally going to do with my Tesla and my Coinbase shares. And I'm really hoping that this bull market continues to happen, because the wheel strategy works best on these sideways upward trends. And this is what we're planning on doing. We're just planning on making as much income as possible. And that's what I am going to do. I've done this for a long time, and I feel like I've almost perfected it. And I just wanted to show you guys what exactly that I would do. Like, you don't have to learn trends on these. You don't have to learn much, because with the wheel strategy, the way you want to make money and the way you use stocks are the stocks that you want in your portfolio, the companies that you are bullish on, the companies that you are cool with holding long term. If it did dip, if it did like blow up, like if you're cool with having those in your portfolio, then you're not going to be anxious. You're not going to be going crazy being, oh my God, what's the stock market doing? Because you're always going to be able to make money from it, from selling covered calls and cash your puts. And you're cool with having the stock in there. So it's a win-win. And like the losses come so far and in between. So this is my strategy, what I'm going to do with 2 of the stocks in my portfolio. And I'm hoping that I could get the projected amount. Even if I could get like half of that, that is a lot of on its own. So like half of the 80,000 would be 40. If I could get 40,000 bucks on the year from 2 stocks, so be it. I'm with it. So, and that would push my portfolio, the full portfolio that I've been showing right under $250,000. That's a lot of money. And then if I could do that again the next year with more money, you could probably almost double the portfolio almost to like $500,000 in a year. So that's the goal here, guys. As long as there's no like big crash, a lot of us could be making money. I expect us all to make money. And if you wanted to be a part of the community, I got a Discord down below. If you wanted to learn how to do this, I do have a free PDF in my stand store. I do have a course as well. It's probably the cheapest one out there. It's like, I did a whole bunch of modules. It's like $250. And for Christmas, I'll put out a discount code of Xmas and you'll get 15% off of it. So check that out. And I appreciate all you guys for watching. And hopefully if you're here with me to the end, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you a lot. And I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.